lần đây nhưng sao lúc đây của cho câu của nhiệt chế chỉ một lời tua của sao tao học của lúc nên giờ chỉ tao có căn đồ tạc kỳ của yên của chỉ tao rung nên vì giờ mua có của thế li qua tao rung nên thế li bỏ tao tạc kỳ vì giờ mua có của thế li mua của ta ba thế li mua của ta share vì có yo tụ của ít chân thia tụ của mua share vì có yo tụ của ta ba tụ của ta share giờ để luôn đôi trả lên đi cái chỉ muốn nung đô là na long chỉ riêng chỉ muốn trả muốn dùng ta chỉ muốn đông cá thọ luôn đôi như sâu lạnh đời như sâu kia ở ít khu thọ luôn đôi như sâu lạnh đời như sâu kia ở ít khu
có quý học tụi mình của luôn
nói xin nhiều I may kiss the bride. Yeah, you look great, bro.คุณshould try think lower. Tap my left shoulder. Oh, guys, hi. Wow, good job, go. Hi. Yeah, I was afraid it was gonna be gay again. Yeah, you look great, baby. Give me a spin. Give me a spin, yeah. Oh, you look so good, baby. Yeah, no, I want this one. This one's gays. You look great, baby. Ủa, chả có sự khoa là lọt kia của sau kia có con mò của tụi mình lông xếp lông lơ. Ở cha in nhảy một cô luôn. Một cô đây là cái màu thạc cấp tính của lỗ. Cha chỉ khoa trả cái luôn, tiếp còn gieo đi, cứ lo rồi sao? Okay, mà. Okay, you look great, baby.
Hi, Tu. Hi, Nya. Welcome to this new chapter in your life. And I hope you guys take these steps a little bit at a time, every day at a time, to make it better from one day to the next. Grandma and Grandpa here, the both of us wish you the best of luck, you and Nya. Your reward is always given after being patient and stuff like that. Congratulations to the both of you.
Congratulations. We love you guys very, very, very much. You're never going to be alone. After today, you're never going to be alone. So we love you and God bless you.
The first time I held you close, it was like a new beginning. I finally found something I could believe in.
Thâu có nhớ đôi cô chỉ mua đã chỉ ở chừng tàu cô ra kết lu.
It is an honor to welcome everyone to this joyful celebration where two hearts join as one, the wedding of Maiva and XIONG. This wedding is more than a legal union. It's a promise to share laughters, to weather the storms, and to keep choosing each other every single day. I see two people who truly bring out the best in one another. And this is what the grooms shared. One reason XIONG loves Mai so deeply is because when his mother passed away, Mai was there every day to comfort him and his painful mourning. The bride shared that she is in love with XIONG because he understands her in ways no one else ever has. She carries the weight of a difficult past, and yet his presence, she feels safe. These two have a special love that heals. It is exactly this very love that formed this foundation of the marriage they begin today. They have built a love grounded in joy, respect, and a genuine friendship. This is the love that brings us to the heart of today, their vows. Your vows are promises that will give guide your marriage, the words you will carry with you through every chapter ahead. All right, are you guys ready? Rock, paper, and scissors to see who goes to go first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's never been a question of when I knew I loved you. Not a question of when I knew I wanted to marry you. Oof. Hold up. Because the truth is, love like this doesn't happen in a single moment. It happens in every moment. It's always been a question of how and why. How I knew you were my person. Why I knew I couldn't let you go. I know why I love you. Because of your smile that somehow feels like the first warm day after winter. Because of your eyes, where I see both my present and my forever. Because of the person you are and the person you challenged me to become. I know how I love you. With every laugh we share, with every argument we survive, with a loyalty so deep, it surprises even me. I loved you the day we met. I loved you that night in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I love you yesterday, today, tomorrow, and every day after that. And yes, I'll love you through every single one of your short-tempered outbursts. From now until XIONG. Because the truth is, it was never really about when. It's always been about how deeply and why endlessly. I love you. You are my favorite song. I love you more than music.
I kept my vow short and sweet. Before you, I honestly couldn't see myself getting married at all. But you came in like Riley on the wrecking ball, and you gave me hope to believe in love. Being with you has taught me about patience and love itself. You were the first to somehow understand me effortlessly. You handle my wide range of emotions with grace and never make me feel bad about having them. When I get protected, you remind me that I'm safe with you. Thank you for giving me a place I can call home, where I don't have to worry about feeling judged and can finally start letting my inner child heal. I knew you were the one I was going to marry when I first brought you around my family and you literally made yourself at home. I didn't even have to worry about whether you were going to be comfortable or whether my family is going to scare you off. But I think my family likes you more than me anyway. I vow to love and support you as your wife. I will protect your name and stand by you through all your successes and failures. Together, we'll build a legacy that mom and dad would be proud of. I vow to be patient with you even when you are mean because you're sick. I see my vows today not as a promise but as blessings. I'm blessed to love and support the man you are today, the husband you'll be tomorrow, and the person you hope to become. So at the end of the day, it's just you and me against the world. Whatever happens, we'll make it through. If I trust you and you trust me, we'll be okay.
USHER, baby. I just wanna get your attention. Hey girl, I really wanna be all up in your head. Yeah, cause what I got you gon' wanna get some. Yeah, but girl, that's only if you ain't scared. And I won't knock, won't ring no bell. 在伦敦的了那大气，伦敦只差得路上过来个铁的了，寂寞的吧，古马我都曾啊，头我上过来做呀，寂寞的里现啥，我家的主要给的了，古马是那个一生。Kheto kate yo chiwa ya, ya kate kusulu de day.